What's up, everybody? So today we are going to go over really fast how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. So without further delay, let's get started. All right, so you have your picture open in Photoshop. This is your subject. You obviously has to have teeth showing. So the fastest way I know how to do this, and the way that I would do this, is just by using your lasso tool and then selecting around the teeth that you would like to whiten some. Select those and then go over here to your adjustments panel. If this isn't here, it should be somewhere in your adjustments panel up here. If you want to make sure your adjustments is here, just click that. It should pop up over on this side somewhere. So you have your teeth selected and then hit hue and saturation. So what this does is creates a new adjustment layer. This also, by having a selection already made, this also creates a mask around what your selection was. So the adjustment layer is only going to affect what is white on your mask. And you can see this little tiny white dot down there. That's the teeth that was selected. So by clicking on your adjustment layer, make sure you're not clicking on your mask. You have to have this selected. Go up here to master, go down to yellows, and then you drop your saturation as far as you'd like, and then I usually bring the brightness up some. You don't want to go too overboard, otherwise they just look like they have fake teeth, and that's not really what you want. So let's say you didn't make a very good line around the teeth or whatever. Say you messed up your selection process. So you can go back over here to your layers and then click on the layer mask itself. That's this black square. So now by selecting your brush tool, by having white selected, that's going to be more area that's affected by the layer, the adjustment layer. So then you can just paint in wherever you want. And say you screw up and you messed up. So now by hitting X, or you can click on this little button right here on your little side panel, you just want to make sure this is black. So this is going to be basically erasing what you don't want to be affected by the adjustment layer. If you had multiple layers, say you had 2, 3, 4, 5 layers on this photo, and you only want this to affect the layer that's below it, you can right click over here on the layer and then create clipping mask, and that will clip it to the layer that is directly below it, and it won't affect any other layers that is beneath that layer. So that is how you whiten teeth in Photoshop. Super fast, super easy. If you liked this video, hit that like button for me. It helps me out. I appreciate it. If you want to see future videos from this channel, feel free to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Thanks again. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.